The topic of this video may not be particularly pleasant. In some ways, it's kind of disgusting. But disgusting or not, this is an issue that is vitally important to all of us. Our colon. Taking care of your colon is vital to your overall health. Now, for those of you who might need a little refresher, the colon or large intestine is the last segment of your digestive tract. It's responsible for absorbing water and electrolytes from digested food and eliminating waste products. Keeping your colon healthy is essential for a number of reasons. So, how can you best take care of your colon and prevent problems that can range from merely annoying to deadly serious? Well, you're in luck because today we're sharing our top 10 foods for a clean and healthy colon. We're going to explain why these foods are so beneficial, and trust me, you'll want to add them to your grocery list as soon as possible. Let's start things off with a digestive heavyweight, fiber. You've probably heard it a million times that fiber is important for a healthy colon. Well, it's true. In fact, fiber is absolutely essential. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass through your digestive system. This means less straining and discomfort, and it helps prevent constipation, which nobody wants to deal with. Fiber also acts like a scrub brush for your colon, helping to remove waste and toxins that can build up over time. It is generally recommended that we get around 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day. But here's the problem. Most people don't get anywhere near that much each day. The good news is that there are plenty of delicious and easy ways to sneak more fiber into your diet. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. They are all packed with wonderful healthy fiber. So do your best to add more fiber to your diet and scrub that colon clean. Next up, we're shining the spotlight on leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard, to name just a few, are superheroes of the vegetable world when it comes to colon health. They're packed with fiber, which we already know is essential for good digestion. But leafy greens are also a great source of folate, which plays a crucial role in cell growth and repair. This includes the cells lining your colon. They're also rich in magnesium, a mineral that can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. And let's not forget about the antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are destructive compounds which contribute to inflammation, speed up the aging process, and even increase the risk of colon cancer. So how can you incorporate more leafy greens into your diet? Toss them into smoothies, salads, soups, stews, sandwiches. Heck, you can even add some kale to your Cheerios if it makes you happy. However you add more leafy greens to your diet is fine by me. Just do it. Now let's talk about the trillions of microscopic bacteria that live inside your gut. No, I'm not kidding. There are literally trillions of these critters living inside you. See, I told you that some of this stuff was disgusting. These are live bacteria and other microorganisms that are naturally present in your digestive system, and they play a vital role in maintaining a healthy balance. Your gut is a delicate ecosystem of bacteria. When it's in harmony, with a good balance of good and bad bacteria, everything runs smoothly. That's where probiotics come in. Probiotics help replenish the good bacteria in your gut, keeping the bad guys in check and promoting a healthy digestive system. So, where can you find these gut-loving probiotics? Yogurt is a classic source, especially those with live and active cultures. But it's not just about dairy. You can also find probiotics in fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and even miso soup. Incorporating these probiotic-rich foods into your diet can go a long way in supporting a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall colon health. Let's move on to another important player in the world of colon health. Whole grains. I'm talking about things like oats, brown rice, quinoa, barley, and whole wheat bread. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain all three parts of the grain kernel: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. And guess what? That's where all the good stuff is hiding. The bran is packed with fiber, which we know is essential for regular bowel movements and a healthy colon. And whole grains are loaded with important vitamins and minerals. By choosing whole grains, you're giving your entire body a nutritional boost. Next on our list is one of the easiest things to overlook, but maybe the most important for a healthy colon: water. You've probably heard it a million times, but staying hydrated is absolutely crucial for your overall health. and your colon is no exception. Water helps move things along through your digestive tract. If you don't drink enough water, then things will start to get backed up. And I promise you, that can become a nasty mess that you don't want anything to do with. Water also helps to flush out waste products, toxins, and anything else that might be lingering in your colon. If you allow all that nastiness to build up because you don't drink enough water, then you are just asking for problems. Stinky, dirty, and discomforting problems. So, how much water should you be drinking? It is generally recommended that you drink 8 glasses a day. But this can vary depending on your activity level, climate, and overall health. A good rule of thumb is to listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. Your body will tell you what it needs, so don't ignore it. It is a good idea to keep a water bottle handy and make staying hydrated a top priority. It's good for your colon, and anything that is good for your colon is good for you. Next on our list is a sweet treat: fruit. Who doesn't love a juicy piece of fruit? Not only is fruit delicious, but it is great for your colon. Fruits like apples, pears, berries, and bananas are packed with the good stuff: fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. Fruit has it all. The fiber in fruit keeps things moving smoothly. Soluble fiber helps soften stool and prevent constipation. The antioxidants help protect your cells from damage. So grab a piece of fruit and make your colon happy. Next up, we have nuts and seeds. People tend to overlook nuts and seeds, but that is a big mistake. They are packed with fiber, healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants. Their nutritional profile benefits your entire body, including your colon. Nuts and seeds are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which, as we've discussed, are essential for regular bowel movements and a healthy colon. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and even improve brain function. They really are an amazingly healthy food. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of nuts or seeds. Your body will thank you. Or at least it should. If you're going out of your way to give it a healthy snack like nuts and seeds, then the least your body could do is thank you. Basic manners go a long way. Beans, the musical fruit. They say that beans make you fart. Well, I'm not so sure that beans make you fart any more than any other foods, but that's what they say. Maybe it's true and maybe it's not. But I can tell you for a fact that beans are not a fruit, so they definitely got that wrong. And if they got that wrong, then maybe they got the farting thing wrong too. In any event, beans are next on our list of foods that are great for your colon. Beans and legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are nutritional powerhouses that should definitely be a part of your regular diet. First and foremost, beans and legumes are excellent sources of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. And you already know how important fiber is for your colon. They're also packed with protein. They are a fantastic plant-based source of this essential nutrient. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, including the tissues in your colon and digestive tract. And let's not forget about the other amazing nutrients found in beans: iron, folate, magnesium, potassium. They really are loaded with important nutrients. So don't worry about the farting thing. There are serious problems with the accuracy of that song. Just focus on how good beans are for your health and include more of them in your diet. Now let's talk about fermented foods. These tangy and flavorful foods can do wonders for your gut microbiome and, you guessed it, your colon health. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt, kefir, and kombucha undergo a process called fermentation. During fermentation, natural bacteria feed on the sugars in the food, creating lactic acid. This process not only preserves the food, but also enhances its flavor and nutritional value. The probiotics produced during fermentation help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, keeping the bad guys in check and promoting a thriving digestive system. When your gut microbiome is in harmony, it can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even positively impact your mood and cognitive function. The importance of having a healthy gut microbiome cannot be overstated. So, how can you incorporate more fermented foods into your diet? Start by adding a dollop of yogurt or kefir to your breakfast or smoothie. Try a side of sauerkraut or kimchi with your next meal. or enjoy a refreshing glass of kombucha as a healthy alternative to sugary drinks. I promise it will do wonders for your gut. Now let's add some spice to the mix. Ginger and turmeric. These two spices are health superstars with a long history of medicinal use, particularly when it comes to digestive health. Ginger, with its warm, pungent flavor, has long been used to soothe nausea, reduce inflammation, and aid digestion. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogols. They have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can benefit your entire digestive system, including your colon. Turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its vibrant hue, is another potent anti-inflammatory agent. It contains a compound called curcumin. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the gut. So, how can you incorporate more ginger and turmeric into your diet? Try adding some fresh ginger to smoothies, stir-fries, or teas for a refreshing zing. Turmeric can be added to curries, soups, or even lattes for a warm and comforting flavor. However you do it, get these healthy spices into your diet. So, there you have it. Our top 10 foods for a clean and healthy colon. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more about food and health. Thanks for watching.